disciplinarian of our house. Daddy loved us all, and he just sort of spoiled us all. Mama could you how to use it, pick your stitch on them legs. But now, we left Marjoram, went over to Haleville, went up to Lexington. The funny thing about it, every small church we were in, we had a big congregation. Had a wonderful group of young people everywhere we went. And that helped raise us, because I'm proud of my intimate family too. My brothers were wonderful boys. They were twins and they'd have their time together. And I was left out.
But you had Sarah.
I did. Sarah and I were buddies. Sarah and I we were the buddies. That's the way we went. I turned out to be an athletic person. That's all I wanted to do. And I played through high school and into college, and my dad never saw me play. Never. I wondered about that. And Mother came. But then when I started coaching, the bug hit Daddy. But the biggest lesson he gave me, we played Lineville in the semifinal of the state tournament and got beat in the last 5 seconds. I got extremely mad at the official because I thought he just let a call go. You know how that is. And as we walked out of Foster Auditorium, down the sidewalk there, Daddy put his arm around me and said, "That'll be all right, you'll have another chance." I said, "I might never get one like that." He said, "You'll have another chance." And sure enough, I did. But he just said, "We're doing what we're supposed to do. God is sending us to exactly the place we're supposed to be." And I tell you what, each one of those little pieces made us into a strong family.
Yes, they do.
And I'm so proud of this group right here. Now look at Nan, and that's the way Mother looked.
I know.
But I'm so proud of all of you. Proud of you so much. And I see a lot of prospects in every one of you. And I hear from it all the time. Good to be with you, and I just wanted to give you a little touch of, I'm going to say one little thing about Mother and me. I guess I was 10 years old, and we was living in Lexington at that time, I believe. And I had done something that irritated Mother. I don't know what it was now. But she was chasing me down with a switch, and I ran out the back door and slammed the door and held that screen door shut. Wouldn't let her get to me. No, that was the best thing. She finally just looked at me and laughed. And that ended that. So, now I think the discipline began to end. But we had a good life growing up. Daddy was the best daddy you could ever have. Mother was a very sweet person. One little funny incident I'll have to tell you this. Mother was attending some women's missionary meeting or something.
Oh, yeah.
I think she took Sarah with her.
I was.
Now, Howard and Francis were mechanically minded boys going up. They had to experiment with a lot of things. So,
They were
This-
experimental.
uh,
I didn't know they were experimental now.
yeah, and they left us there at home, and Daddy was busy reading. And they got 3 flashlight batteries. They'd heard that if you could put them in the stove and heat them up, it recharged them.
They did.
And it blew them things all to pieces. And when Mother got home and she found that mess, now she was not happy at all. So we had it awfully hard around there for several days because she went off into the bedroom and went to bed. And me and Sarah got worried and we went around there peeping in to see what was happening there. But anyhow, that was one experience. I had several of them.
Weren't y'all gonna clear a baseball field one time?
Yes, that was another one of those things. We had a field out there that had a lot of grass on it, and we decided we'd cut all that grass down and make it into an athletic field. But it was slow cutting, so we decided we'd take the flame and burn it down. And it got away from us and we tried to get it into the house. Mother was out there beating the fire. And we all saved the house. Thank God.
It singed the siding off the rock.
Yeah, but Mother had a burned face. Her hair was singed all over. It was awful. And she came straight in there again. She went to the bedroom and laid down. And stayed and stayed and stayed. And Sarah and I decided we'd have to go peep in there and see what was wrong with it. But
Mama, you all right?
we were typical kids. And that mistake. But they taught us right from wrong. And I'm so proud of that.
Amen.
And that's what I got to say today.